Hi everyone! Today we have a cool summer tank top refashion. The print is awesome and the fit hides the tummy nicely, but there is one problem. A long tail hanging at the back that ruins everything. Don't rush to throw the garment away. Today, we will shorten the back and create a smooth, perfect balance. Let's get right to fixing it. Pin the back length right on yourself until it looks harmonious. Our main goal is to remove the harsh contrast, so the difference between the front and back becomes soft and natural. In my case, I need to take off 5 to 6 centimeters. Mark this point with a pin. Now undo the hem along the back, going from one end of the elastic to the other. And here is a super quick life hack to unravel a factory cover stitch. Snip just one single stitch on the right side, pull the thread, and the bottom thread on the inside drops right out effortlessly. No tedious seam ripping needed. Fold the tank top in half, strictly aligning the side seams. Transfer the mark with a fabric marker. Don't worry, this marker disappears with steam. And now for the most important secret to a clean hemline. At the center back, draw the line at a strict 90-degree angle to the fold, and then smoothly connect it to the front. If you don't draw a right angle in the center, you'll end up with an awkward point in the back. Add 2 centimeters for the hem allowance and cut away the excess. Fold the edge up by 2 centimeters and pin it in place. And now pay attention, a pressing secret for thin knit fabrics. To make the hem easy to sew, press it with an iron right over the pins, but never slide the iron back and forth. Simply press down from above with a gentle touch of steam. This keeps the knit from stretching or wavy distortion. We will hem from the right side using a twin needle. And here is a clever sewing tip. When stitching on the right side, don't focus on the needle. Instead, watch the distance between the fabric edge and the presser foot. Keep it at about 5 millimeters. Your stitching will turn out perfectly straight. But what if your twin needle is narrow, while the original factory stitch on the front elastic is wide? Very simple. Run our narrow twin stitch right down the center between the two factory stitch lines on the front elastic. Look at that, it looks completely intentional. Wow, just look at this result! The hem turned out impeccably neat, and the hanging tail is completely gone. The front and back lengths now look harmonious, flatter the figure, and look very polished. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe and save this video so you don't lose these pressing and twin needle techniques. Share it with your friends and check out our other clothing refashion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.